Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you are doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking pepper soup, so keep watching. So these are the ingredients that is needed for this. I have fresh Utazi. You can use dry one if you want, and I don't know the name in English. Only for Igbo Asabi the name. I have crayfish. I have my dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper, dry pepper, whichever one you have. And then I have these amazing spices of mine. I have a video about it. What is contained here is garlic, ginger, spring onions, and thyme blended together and frozen, guys. Next, this is my Maggi and my salt. And I also have my onions. And then I also have the pepper soup spice. This pepper soup spice is the one that is going to make this pepper soup to taste nice. Like this is the main ingredients you need for this very recipe. So and then I have my cow meat, I have goat meat. You can use mix a different type of meat mixed together, but I be that time wey dey select meat, I no dey chop anyhow. So guys, moving on to the next, I'm going to be adding the meat in the pot. I'll put my meat inside pot and then start to add all those ingredients I showed you guys bit by bit, guys. So for this weather here in the UK, having pepper soup like this for house is very, very good. When the weather is very cold, you just bring out one pepper soup like that, eat am as e dey hot, so you go dey burn the cold dey go. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding those ingredients I showed you. I'll mix them up together, cover it and allow it to steam for like 10 minutes before I add water on it. So the reason why this process, I want the spices I've added in the pot to go into the meat and give the meat the taste I really want. So this is about 10 to 15 minutes, guys. I'm just going to mix it up nicely. After which, I'm going to be adding water and then cover it now to cook now to my taste, which I'm going to allow the meat to be very soft. You know, I love soft meat, guys. Pepper soup is one of the popular street food you can find in Africa, guys. Even as meat dey cost so, they still dey do pepper soup. I'll just cover it, allow it to steam for about 20 minutes, and then I'll start adding my pepper, I add my crayfish. So some people don't like adding crayfish in their pepper soup, but me, I like my own to taste very nice. So I go in with the pepper soup spices, and then I give it a mix, and then cover it again for it to boil again. So guys, this pepper soup can be eaten with rice. You can eat it with white agidi, and it's so nice, guys. I'm just going to stir it a little bit and then cover it to steam for another 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure the ingredients go into the meat the way I really want it to be, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Without testing it, you can tell that this pepper soup came out very nice. So guys, next I'm just going to dish it out in a plate and then finish it up with the fresh otaze. You can add the otaze while you are cooking this, but I never wanted to add the otaze in it because I might want to use this pepper soup with rice, so or agidi with it. So next I just add the fresh otaze leaf on top of it, guys. Look how beautiful it is. If you're still watching this video up to this point, you don't have your spoon ready, I don't know what you're waiting for. All right guys, see you on my next one. Bye.